Alright, so in this video, I'm going to guide you how to use the terminal, which is MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Alright, so basically 4 and 5 is just a version upgrade, so it's quite similar, but this is two different terminal, but it's quite similar, alright, and it's coming from the same company. So today I'm using MT5 as a practice, alright. So if you want to use the terminal, right, there's only few questions that you have to familiar. So how to log in your account, how to add asset classes, how to open trade, and then how to set TP and SL, or even how to close the trade. So how to log in? So today I'm using a MetaCourse account. So of course, my terminal is based on Tickmill. And if they say I want to log in my account, so how to log in? There is a file there. From here, you can click log into trade account. So from here, you have to key in your login ID, your password, and then the server. So you should have all these credentials, all this information when you register an account with your broker or with your prop firm. Alright. So from here, you can see I have Tickmill, I have Vantage, I have Vantage Global, and I have Vantage International. So if I want to use this terminal, which means this terminal to log in my FunderNext account or even log in my ACG account, is that possible? The answer is yes. But how if there is no FunderNext server to choose from the option here? So what you need to do is you have to add the account first. So go to File, open an account, and then from here you can see there's a lot of broker here. And if they say I want to log in my FunderNext, so what should I do? So I have to key in FunderNext and then find your company. So when I click find your company, you see the terminal pop up a result which is FunderNext Ltd. And if let's say I want to search for ACG, so from here then I click find your company. Oh, there's no company. Why? So you have to key maybe ACG market. So find your company. You see, when I search for ACG market, it will pop up. So ACG market limited. So from here, let's say I want to log in my ACG account, so I click next. Alright, and then from here, there is three options: open a demo account to trade without risk with your real money, or open a real account for live trading, or even connect with an existing trade account. So I believe if let's say you deal with prop firm, right, you should receive all the account ID, the password, and even the server. So you have to click connect with an existing trade account. And from here, key in the account ID and key in the password. So I'm not sure what is the password and the server here, and then you click finish. So when you click finish, then you will be in the new account. So when you are in a new account, you will see your trading account ID will be changed. Will be changed to your account. And this no longer MetaCourse, maybe will appear ACG market, or even it will appear FunderNext. Alright, and how can you know whether you are inside your account or not? So if you really inside a new account, you will find out there is a trade, there is a tab which is called trade here. If let's say you're unable to log in, which is maybe you're using a wrong password, you choose a wrong user ID, or you choose a wrong server, so this trade tab, the tab is called trade, the trade will not pop up. If let's say you saw a trade here and you saw the balance is correct, then which means you are able to log in the account successfully. Alright, so this is for the first step, which is for the first question, how to log in your account. Right, so done. So from here, how to use the terminal? If let's say I'm already inside my new account, and then I have a euro, I have a gold pairing, and then if let's say I want to have another pair, for example like GBP USD, or for example like I want to trade silver. So how can I add all those asset classes? So you can go to View, Market Watch. From here, you see there is a lot of pairing. If let's say you find out there is no pairing here, so what you need to do is right click, choose the show all. So when you choose show all, there's a lot of pairing. You have AUD, CFD, AUD, CHF, all kind of forex pairing, and I guess you even have index. Whereas you see there is a lot of index here, and yeah, even the stock CFD like AAPL, Apple stock, example Amazon, there's a lot of stock CFD, and even there is index also, if I'm not mistaken. Even Bitcoin, crypto or commodities also have, right? But you have to do your own research because different broker will offer different options. Alright, so for example, if today I want to search for gold trading, so how can I search for gold trading? So I go to view, okay, watch, and from here I will search for the symbol of the gold, which is XAU USD, and then from here I will right click the pair and I choose chart window. When I click on chart window, what will happen? So all this chart, all this pricing is based on XAU USD. If I want to switch to Euro USD, so you see there is a tab here, Euro USD and gold trading. And if let's say I want to add in GBP USD, also can. Let's say market watch and I search for GBP. Where is a GBP USD? GBP, where are you? Now you see there is a GBP USD here, so I right click and I click chart window. I choose chart window, and then you see there is another chart for GBP USD. Alright, which means I have three pairing now, which is Euro, Gold, or British Pound. Alright, so from here, if I want to close for Euro, so I right click here, I click close, so it will disappear. Only have Gold and British Pound. Right, so this is how you add the asset class. So done. How to open trade? Right, how to open trade? There is two methods. Either you can see there is a new order here, place new order, or you just using a shortcut key, which is F9. When you click F9, it will appear this one. Or you want to click from here, also the same. Right? So you see, because I'm using the chart of GBP USD, that's why the symbol here is GBP USD. Alright, so if I switch to gold, so I click again, you see the symbol will change to gold trading. Alright, if I don't want to switch the chart, you still can select from here. Alright, there's a lot you can select from here, but usually I would recommend you to switch to the chart of gold, then only you click new order. And before you place the order, you have to make sure the symbol is correct. Alright. So there is also instant execution and also pending order, right? But today we are not going to use pending order, because pending order you have to know on what is buy limit, what is sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, or even buy stop limit or sell stop limit. But today I'm not going to use pending order. I'm going to use instant execution, which is I can long or short at the current pricing. For example, if I want to long the lot size of 1, I put the scenario here. So for example, scenario 1. So today maybe I'm using, what is my account size again? 1K. So 1K account, 1K demo account, and I want to long go with 0.1 lot and with 2% of risk. With 2% of risk. Alright, so what is mean by I want to long go with 0.1 lot with 2% of risk? This 2% is mean when I long go with 0.1 lot, no matter if my trade is losing money, I'm willing to lose only 2% of my 1K account, which is how much? Which is $20. Right, because I'm using 1K multiple with 2%, which is $20. Right, which is $20 because 1% is equal to $10. So 2% will be $20. Alright, so which means if I want to lose, I will not going to lose more than 20 because with a risk 2%. Right, and because I'm using 0.1 lot, so how to set how to set the TP and SL according to the scenario given. So for example, how to open the trade. So I want to long gold, right? I will click long, which is buy gold, and my lot size using is 0.1 lot. Alright, so I want to long 0.1 lot. So from here, I have to choose the volume, change to 0.1. Alright, before you click buy or sell, you have to make sure the volume is correct, which is 0.1. Alright, and I want to long go, right? So just click buy. So how to check whether my position was placed? So you can go to the trade here. There is a tab called trade, and then if let's say you saw there is a position here, you see the symbol is XAUSD, the ticket number just leave it, and the time is your opening time. But of course, the opening time is follow the broker time. It's not our Malaysia time, or your Singaporean time is also different. It will follow the broker time. All right, and the position type is buy. Buy means long. I expect pricing is going up. That's why I choose to long go, or even I buy gold. And the volume is equal to lot size. Right, so the volume equals to lot size, which is 0.1, and my entry price is 2741.18, and this is fixed. If you're not going to change according to the market, right? But there's another price behind. And this price is going to change according to the market, because this is your current pricing, current market price. So it will float, and your profit will also change accordingly. Right, but your opening price is not going to change. Alright, so this is how you open a trade and how to you ensure your trade is open. Alright. So now I want to set my TP and SL. Right, how to set TP and SL? In order to set TP SL, you have to know the exactly TP or SL price. Alright, or you have to know the point difference of TP and SL price from your entry price. You have to know the point difference. Alright, so how to calculate the point difference? So there is a formula for the point difference, which is because the P and L is equal to lot size multiple with your point difference. What is mean by point difference here? So for example, snipping tools. Because the position is changed according to the market, so I want to lock it. Right, so from here you can see my profit is $5.6. It's $5.6. So how can I calculate this $5.6? Alright, is calculated by using the lot size multiple with the point difference. So you refer back to the formula. Alright, the P and L here is 5.6. So 5.6 equals to my lot size. My lot size is using 0.1 multiple with a point difference, right? So if I want to calculate point difference, it will be P and L divided by, which is 5.6 divided by 0.1. It will become 56 point. Alright, it will become 56 point. And from here, how can I calculate whether the difference of the current pricing and my opening price is 56 point? It's very simple. So using my calculator, what is the current pricing? 2741.74. 2741.74 minus 2741.18, because this is my opening price. So what is the difference? The difference is 56 cents of USD cent, or is a United Dollar cent. So 56 cents. And if you want to convert into point, you have to make it into integer, because this is a decimal point. So you want to make it in integer. So because there is 2 decimal points for gold trading, so if you want to make it into integer, you have to multiply with 100. Become 56 points. Alright, it will become 56 points. So if you exactly sim to our calculation, which is 56 points. So if today I want to risk 2% on, because according to my condition, I want to risk 2%. So 2% based on my 1K account is $20, right? So it will be $20. And my lot size will be 0.1. Multiply with my point difference. So if I want to calculate point difference, it will become $20 divided by 0.1, which is 200 points, which is 200 points. Alright, so you have to know the point difference for TP and SL price from your entry price, which is 200 points. So how you set the TPSL based on 200 points. So go to my terminal again, click the trade. Alright, under the tab here, click, I choose the trade here, and then right click, modify or delete. And then from here you can see there is a form box here. Alright, this is the, as just like I already mentioned, right? How to set TP and SL. First option is you have to know the exactly TP or SL price. So if you know exactly TP or SL price, then you can fill in here. But there is another method, which is you have to know the point difference of TP SL price from your entry price, and according to the formula here I found out, which is 200 points. So from here I key in 200 points. So the system will automatically calculate 200 points for me. So and then when I click 200, I will click modify here. So you see, if you set SL price to 2739.18 and my TP will be 2743.18. Alright, so you can calculate by yourself. The point difference between the stop loss price and your opening price is exactly 200 points. And your take profit price will be also exactly 200 points. Right, this is how you set your TPSL. So when the stop loss and TP, there is a price here, which means you are you set the TP and SL successfully. Alright, but the thing is, you have to calculate the point difference correctly, yeah. Right, according to the formula here and the scenario given. Right, this is how you set the TP and SL. And how to close the trade. So I have the trade running here, and you'll see the profit is changing according to the market price. If I want to close, if I want to secure the profit, how to close the trade, right? You see there is a cross here. There is a cross here. Click this one. Okay. What happened? Yeah, you see when I click again. So when I click again the cross, the trade will disappear. If you're gone, the trade will gone. And my balance was increased from 1001 to 1005. Alright, and if I want to check for the trade, the history here, so I can check back lah. Just like close the trade with 4.6. Alright, so this is the condition if there is no trade running. If you want to check whether there is another trade, so you go for buy. So see, there will be another trade running here. And the TP and SL is empty. And you have to calculate based on your risk per trade. Let's say I change the scenario, I know how to close the trade, right? So if I change the scenario, come on, another scenario, which is scenario 2, and I'm using 1K demo account, and I want to short go. With 0.2 lots. And if I want to risk 4%, so how can I calculate the TP and SL? So I close the trade first. Alright, so I want to short go with 0.2 lot. Alright, so how to short go with 0.2 lot? Go to new order, change the volume to 0.2, and sell. Because it's short, it's going to sell. So when I click sell, you see the position is here. Gold trading, opening time, position type which is short gold, volume 0.2, and this is my opening price which is 2741.1. And you see the stop loss and TP is empty. It's empty. You have to set based on your risk per trade. So for example, what is my risk per trade? My risk per trade is 4%, and my account is 1,000. So 4% of my 1,000, it will become how much? 4%, it becomes $40. Alright, so from this, I find out the $40, which is if I make profit, then I will TP with $40. If I make losses, then I will lose only $40. Alright, so how can I calculate the point difference? So again, the formula is, alright, so I know the P&L, which is 40, and I know the lot size, which is 0.2. What is my point difference? 40 divided by lot size 0.2, it will become 80 points. It will become 80 points, correct? Double check again. 40 divided by 0.2, divided by 0.2, it will become 200 points. Oh, I made a mistake just now. Alright, it will 200 points. So, again the same 200 points. Okay, don't worry, since the calculation is here, so 40 divided by lot size 200 points, so it's same. Go to your order, right click, modify or delete, 200 points. 200 points, it will calculate for you. And then remember to click modify. If you never click modify, you just close this one. You see, your stop loss and TP will still be empty. Alright, so you have to click the modify. So when you click modify and the stop loss and TP have the price here, then which means you are able to set the TP and SL successfully. Else, you're not going. It's not success. You have to set again. Alright. So basically, this is how you set the TP and SL according to the scenario given. So yeah, this is how you use the whole terminal, and you can play with some tools. Let's say you want to change the background. For example, maybe black color is not that nice. You want to change, so you can choose black on white, right? So it will become a white background. And let's say you want to put you want to draw the line, you want to put a support, resistance, or if let's say you want to have trend line, right? You can have trend lines, right? If let's say you want to have parallel line, there's a lot, right? And if let's say you want to have Fibonacci retracement, so you can drag, right? So there's a lot of tools here, right? And yeah, if you want to draw arrow there, you can put whatever you want to put, right? And then you want to change the time frame, 1 minute chart, 5 minutes, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hours daily, you can still follow here. And then if you want to zoom in, you want to zoom out, you want to see a clear trend, you want to zoom in and zoom out also can. And if let's say you don't want to use candlestick, you want to use line chart, you want to use, what is the chart here? Bar chart, I call bar chart. Likely be using candlestick, right? And if let's say you want to add in your indicator, so go to insert, you have indicator, there's a lot of indicator here. Trend, you have a moving average, you have Ichimoku, you have standard deviation. Let's say MACD, where's the MACD? So you have MACD, you have ATR, you have RSI, there's a lot. Volume, you can play yourself. Alright, there's a lot of indicator here. If let's say you want to add in object, there's a lot of object here, channel, Fibonacci, even Elliott wave, shape, arrow, like graphical also can, right? But you can put yourself. Expert, of course I don't have any expert here, so I think this is a default expert. And then from chart here, should be no issue. Let's say some people they want to see the grid, okay, you can put grid here. But I don't like to see the grid, so I can put don't want to put them fit here, right? So yeah, for example, if let's say today I add on, I put the MACD here, right? I already put the MACD here, and I want to remove this indicator. What should I do? Right click, go to indicator list, and from here select MACD and click delete. So it will disappear. Alright, so basically there's nothing much to teach. Basically, this is how you can play with these terminals, right? But the most important is how to place order, how to log in your ID, place order, set TPSL, and how to close order, and how to add your asset class also. Alright, because I have Gold, I have GBP USD also, and also have multiple time frame here. So you have to familiar with this terminal and play around with the terminal. Alright, and yeah, I guess I should end my sharing here. If they say you have more questions, yeah, you can come to me. Alright, so alright.